Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. Auto sales number were out for the month of August. Maruti Suzuki sales rose by 14.48% to 1.89 lakh units. This is highest ever, highest number. Tata Motors sold 78,010 units, that is down by 1.06% year on year basis. Mahindra managed to increase its sales by 19% to 70,350 units. Ashok Leyland sales increased by 10.3% to 15,576 units. Eicher Motors sales increased by 10.66% to 77,583 units. TVS Motors sold 3.46 lakh units, increase of 3.61%. Bajaj Auto sales were down by 15% to 3.42 lakh units. GST numbers. India's GST collection stood at 1.56 lakh crores in August. That was up by 11% year on year basis. ISRO launched Aditya L1 and that is a big achievement. There is a first satellite which is approaching to sun, the sun. UPI crossed 10 billion transaction in August. That is highest ever. Government has increased jet fuel price by around 14% to rupees 1.12 lakh per kiloliter. Commercial LPG price has been reduced by rupees 158. 2000 notes, do you remember it? RBI mentioned that 93% of rupees 2000 notes has been returned to banks. One good news for Bajaj Auto, subsidy Bajaj Auto Consumer Finance has received RBI approval to start NBFC business. Bombay Stock Exchange increased its share buyback offer to rupees 1080 from 816. A few years back, I introduced the concept of Thursday Friday. Thursday Friday concept is what if there is a sharp rise on Thursday, then there is a possibility of a big fall on Friday. And if there is a big fall on Thursday, the possibility is of a sharp rise on Friday. It happened again this time. Nifty, Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty, and many other stocks worked very well on the concept of Thursday Friday. Level mentioned of 19,216 worked very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times Nifty 50 hit this price of 19,261 plus minus few points and bounced from there. Every time bounced from there. Now the question is, with these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading and happy investing to all my students. A lots of love from core of my heart.